Here we are at the Watson Personality Insights service overview, the last Watson service covered in this course. In this overview, I shall introduce you to Personality Insights and its capabilities. Here we'll be covering what the service does, what the service can tell you about a person, the consumption preference response, and lastly, we'll look at how the service might be used in practice. So, Personality Insights takes as input written text drawn from whichever source you choose: Twitter, customer reviews, a blog. While there are many ways to quantitatively assess a person's personality, PI makes use of a widely respected measure of personality called the Big Five, along with another measure of individual needs. And intriguingly, PI uses this information to return specific predictions regarding consumption preferences. The Big Five traits comprise a model for describing an individual's personality along 5 dimensions, namely agreeableness or a person's tendency to be compassionate and cooperative towards others, conscientiousness, the person's tendency to act in an organized way, extroversion, the inclination to seek stimulation in the company of others. Neuroticism, emotional range, is the extent to which one's emotions are sensitive to one's environment. Finally, openness is how open one is to the experience of new activities. The values model describes the motivating factors that influence a person's decision-making, namely self-transcendence, helping others, the degree to which one is concerned with the welfare of others. Conservation, tradition, is the preference for self-restriction, order, and resistance to change. Hedonism, taking pleasure in life. Does a person seek pleasure and sensual gratification? Self-enhancement, achieving success. How much a person seeks personal success in their endeavors. Openness to change, excitement. How much a person emphasizes independent action, thought, and feeling, as well as a readiness for new experiences. The needs model describes at a high level what aspects of a product are likeliest to resonate with a person, or as a good organization man is wont to say, a consumer. There are 12 needs described in the needs model, namely excitement, harmony, curiosity, idealism, closeness, self-expression, liberty, love, practicality, stability, challenge, and structure. And what would a service be if it didn't have abundant and rich use cases, such as building a system that analyzes the customer's speech, thus gaining insight into the broad strokes of their personality? This allows for the targeted advertising of more relevant products, or creating a bespoke customer experience. Another possibility is identifying where two people may be compatible personality-wise, for instance, when matching a salesperson to a customer, or when screening new hires for qualities valued in the role or the organization at large. Lastly, PI allows for finding consumption preferences of consumers, enabling prediction of what a customer will buy.